I am Andrew Stevenson, and in this video we are going to look at my KDP Income Report for the third month of doing it. That was March 2020, and this is the month where I really took my foot off the gas. You know, life gets in the way. I am a gardener, and there's nothing much to do in the gardens December, January, February. And then when March starts, the work picks up again. So I'll show you later on, I released maybe 2 books from March through to March 2021. And you can probably tell that I kind of not lost interest, but other things got in the way. So I sold 14 books in this month. Here they are, the guided journal. Craft paper pads, the guided journal again, and more craft paper pads. I haven't forgotten to do a video on those. They still sell well today, especially the steampunk one. Oh, there's another Tradwife planner. Let's see if they complained that there wasn't any prayers in the Bible verses in it. Another craft paper pad and another craft paper pad. So only 14 books. And I probably had maybe 30 published at this time. So here they are here. Out of 14, 9 were steampunk. Not a bad spread there. 3 of them were the guided journal. This hasn't sold for such a long time, but it was quite popular in the first three months. Another craft paper, and then the Tradwife planner. And that in total got me £25 and 22 pence. And look at that, the vast majority of the money came, of course, from the craft paper. So how many did I say I sold? So I sold 9, made £16. So it's not too far under £2 a copy. It depends on where it sells. That one I only got £1.38. That one I get £2.14. So it depends on the exchange rate and things like that. So only 4 separate books sold, and it got us that much money. And if I show you, so this is March. I published that end of January. Published that March the 5th, so nothing in February. March the 5th. I tried to do this one in February, obviously. It was blocked. The reason was I didn't mention any copyright thing. The issue was it was something to do with the title on the cover and the title that I chose not matching. And I couldn't work out what it was, but that says copyright content and my request, whatever that is. So I just didn't want to dig about with it anymore. And then I did a book on June the 21st. Which I think is, is that the summer solstice? And then I didn't do one again till March the 27th, 2021. Which is a blank comic book. So this is the most popular craft paper pad I do. It's got 18.5 stars. Sorry, 18 ratings, 3.9. Now these poor ratings are generally to do with paper quality. Not card or heavy paper. There's nothing you can do about that, unfortunately. nothing for 3, nothing for 4. And there's some quite good good reviews, but it is basically a pad of paper with these images on, and people use them for, well, all of these things here. And it's sold pretty well in the past, so the price has stayed constant. And you can see clear the peaks and troughs. 76,000 it was back those. And this is from Helium 10, by the way, this little graphic here. 35,000. So it sells. This is probably the worst period actually for a while. I've got no doubt it'll sell again and drop like that into the better BSRs. But this time of year is generally more like for your your Christmas / planners, which I've done a few off. On the sell well. So that's it for this video. It's just a quick one, just something to keep you going over Christmas and New Year, where I'm away, got things to do. But I will be back making more videos, hopefully get them out daily, and continue to grow the channel. If there is anything you want me to show you about my books and book designs, or some of the software that I use and the add-ons that I use, just ask us in the comments, and I'll do my best. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel, like and comment the videos. It really, really does help. I think I'm on 60 subscribers as I'm recording this, which isn't bad. I only started the channel 10 days ago. And there's a lot of people doing this KDP sort of videos. I just want to try something different and show you the good, the bad, and the fugly. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.